This is the DeGuard Pin and Pin Dimple Lock. Now I borrowed this one from Jackrabbit Locksport, so thank you, Jackrabbit. I'm going to go ahead and tension this one counterclockwise and pick, kind of going counterclockwise as well, but from the left-hand side of the pins, so that way it's kind of pushing opposite. Now on these ones, you usually want to pick the outer pins first and then the inner pins, and then you fall into a giant false set. And then you basically just have to kind of feel around and touch something and then it opens. But on this one I did mark my pick, so I've got no idea if I'm hitting an inner pin or an outer pin first. And it seemed to work anyways. So I guess you can pick whichever pins are just binding and pick it like that. There's the deep false set. Hopefully we're going to get this open any second now. Let's see. Come on now. And almost there it is. All right, I'm not gonna gut this one today for you. I gutted it earlier to do a challenge and it was a nightmare putting it back together. And so I'm just gonna leave you with a picture from the LPU Belts website showing what's in these types of locks, and you can see what we were dealing with. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe.